Just landed at Sabiha Gökçen Airport and wondering how to get to the city center without spending too much? Then you are in the right place. In this video I will show you the cheapest and easiest way to get from Sabiha Gökçen Airport to the city center. If you are interested in all different ways to get from Sabiha Gökçen Airport to the city center, I recommend checking out my other video where I go into full detail in all the available options. The cheapest way to get from Sabiha Gökçen Airport to the city center is definitely the metro. It's not only the most budget-friendly option, but also one of the most efficient ways to avoid Istanbul heavy traffic. The metro system at the airport is served by the M4 line, which directly connects Sabiha Gökçen with the city's metro network on the Asian side. The metro is very modern, and inside each carriage there are information displays, so you can easily see which station is coming next. This makes it very simple to follow your journey even if you are not familiar with the system. Unlike some other metro lines, it's worth noting that these trains do not have dedicated spaces to store your luggage and suitcases, so you will need to keep your bags close to you during the ride. Trains are very frequent, running approximately every 5 minutes during peak times, and the system operates from around 6 am until midnight, making it very convenient for most arrivals. It's also worth mentioning two important transfer stations. At Kozyatepe, you can transfer to other parts of the network, and the most important stop is the final station, Kadıköy. From there you have direct access to ferry connection to the European side. Before entering the metro, you will need an Istanbulkart, which you can easily buy and top up at vending machines inside the airport. This same card works for all public transport in the city, including buses, trams and ferries. If you are interested in how to get an Istanbulkart, how to top it up and more detailed information, you can find a separate video linked in the description. Now let's talk about the price. The fare for this line is 42 Turkish lira. On this specific metro line, you actually have the flexibility to pay directly with your regular bank card at the turnstiles. While this is very convenient, keep in mind that the price is higher when using a bank card compared to Istanbulkart, and it doesn't work everywhere. That's why I really recommend getting an Istanbulkart. It's the most practical and cost-effective way to use public transport in the city. Another great advantage is that one card can be used up to 5 people. You simply tap the card multiple times when entering the station, so you don't need a separate card for each person. Now let's walk through how to get from the arrival hall to the metro station. After you arrive, exit through these doors and turn left towards McDonald's. Keep walking straight until you reach the escalators going down and see the sign for access to metro. Take the escalator down one level and follow the Tsikiz, in English exit. Once you leave the airport building, continue straight through the underground passage. It's about 3 to 5 minute walk. Keep going until you reach a food stall called Cik Koftesim. Right there on your left hand side you will find the vending machines where you can buy your Istanbulkart. Directly on your right you will see the entrance to the metro. To enter, you simply tap your Istanbulkart or credit card on the turnstile. Once it opens, pass through the security frame and turn right. Take the escalators down one more level and that's it. You are on the platform. One important tip. Since this is the final station, the metro only travels in one direction, toward to the city center from both sides of the platform, so you don't have to worry about getting on the wrong train. You can check the overhead digital display to see which side the next train is arriving on. In our case, the next one is leaving in just 2 minutes from the left side. I hope this video helped you. If you are interested in more travel tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.